What's up guys, so welcome to today's video. So this is day 38 of today's video. So we're actually creating a simple rent flyer design with our smartphone. So it's just going to be easy and very interesting. So make sure you actually subscribe. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram community where you'll be able to get the resources for yourself. And if you have any design requests, you can just say it there in the discussion group, and I will definitely think of making a video on it. So like I just did, I just hope you guys understand what I'm actually doing here. Hope I'm not just doing anything. So also, if it's too fast, make sure you actually reduce the speed a little bit. So I'm actually trying to explain it for you guys so you guys understand. So for the house, you can just use the color filter and everything. And then I would love to save the project. So as you can see right now, so you just import this beautiful woman here with the engineering cap, because there has to be like a model to be there. Then you can bring the house down. So all resources are going to be in my Telegram community, like I said. Then you can just create something like a rectangle, and then select it a dark color, but you will need to use a gradient for it. Then you can just take this back, then adjust the house a bit, because the house is actually covering everything of the design. I want the location and everything to be placed well there. Then you can just be able to open the sticker section. So the sticker section is where you're actually going to get in resources like the social media icons, the website icons, and etc. So you can just write in the website name. Then we can use poppins for this, poppins semi-bold. Yeah, we can use poppins semi-bold, and then you can just be able to use another. Just add a lot of social media icons in which you can be able to use. Then you can just add other ones too. Then I will advise you guys that when you are doing this, you just need to make sure everything aligns properly, so you can just change the color at once. So like I just did right now, everything is changed at once. You can just write in something. So it's about rent EANG. So that EA is actually the design name of this channel. So I'm just trying to be funny here, but I don't want to use any other person, so it don't look like I'm advertising the brand or anything. So you can just import this location logo right now. So here it's actually going to be a bit tricky because the location logo seems is bent. So you can work on perspective with the location, or you can actually work on perspective with the rectangle you take to the back. But if anyone doesn't work, then you can just put it like that. But I'll just think of something along the way, but let's just keep working on it. So you can make it a dark blue color like it. So like I said the other time, how you start designing to be able to understand how you come to place on that position. So like I said, I normally start from the down, then I move up, because they are able to put in my location and everything, and you guys understand. So make sure you set how you lay out thing before you start any design. So you can just write in the location there. So it's just something crafty. I'm just putting YouTube, everything here, as you guys know. So I'm just trying to use the perspective to work on the location sign. So I'm just going to use also on this location sign, and I think it's actually giving the feel. So right now you can just create another rectangle, take it to the back. You can see that kind of like a small space there, so it's not making the design look good. So we have actually closed it, and you can see right now this is really amazing. So you put this hard logo right now. You can also put this hard logo. So I don't have to put it out. Then change the color by reducing the opacity using the erase tool on Pixellab. So you can just use the rent EA, and then you can just adjust it. So you can just put in the poppins there. So poppins semi-bold is what I've been using. Then lock everything. So for that rectangle that's there, I want the woman to be showing on top. I want her to be showing on top, but I don't want it to cover it. So let me just bring everything down, as you can see. So let me just bring everything down. So we're just trying to be creative with it. So right now you can just add in other things, and then work on the color. So just work on the color here. So you can duplicate 3 of them. So this is just going to be a little bit long. but if you need getting bored of it, you can just skip this part and then continue. So you can just write in something like a bio, take it there, then put in poppins, and then you don't need to do that. So I think we're actually going to use the light version, so you cannot duplicate more of it there, change some things, then duplicate another one, so as you can see, and then change some things too, and then bring this down. So this is good. So you can now put in the amount, then you can just use in Monstera. So I can just use Monstera there, pick it again. So if you are not having this font, you can check them on that font. So I'm just trying to mention the name of the font. So Poppins is what we used and Monstera is what we use. So you can just check it out. So you can just put this at the back also, as you can see right now, and adjust the position a little bit. Then we'll now use for the cancelled price, and then you can just duplicate everything I've done. We'll use for the cancelled price, duplicate it again, and then we'll now be able to create something like a rectangle. I think that's what is going to happen. So save your project first. So I'm going to just create something like a rectangle, and then I need to give it that kind of feel that we're cancelling the price, and the current price right now is 3 amount. So you can just put this there. Yeah, I think this is good. So this is good, guys. So just duplicate it, use for the other one. So I think the house is actually covering the other one there. I think I just need to work on that. Let me bring this down a bit. So I want to bring this down. So just check it. So I just duplicated it. Just duplicated it. So just adjust it on the text there. Then take everything a bit up. I just need to take everything a bit up. So I think this is good, guys. So just adjust the 6.6 minute to 6.5, and then just create another one. So you can just be able to use right in the prime land sale, and then you can use in a gradient color for it. As you can see, it's giving that kind of pop up field. So I think this is good. So you can just write in a bio under it. And so you already reach this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video. Don't forget to join my technical community for more. Also, you will also find the resources there. And if you need a project file to this design, it's actually in the description box. So make sure you check it out and get the file for yourself. And if you don't know how to open the PHP file, you can message me on Telegram or our discussion group, and update on site. So you can also create something like a brush and sunshine for everything, and that should work very well for you. Alright guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay safe.